First Minister, the main priority for the Welsh Government should be safeguarding and protecting services at Withybush Hospital so that patients from across Preseli, Pembrokeshire are not forced to travel further afield for vital and essential services. Now, as you know, Hywel University Health Board is considering options to transform 9 clinical service areas, and some of those options will result in centralising services further afield for my constituents. Now, First Minister, as a co-representative of the people of Preseli, Pembrokeshire, I hope you'll do everything you can to stand up for them and oppose any changes that force them to travel further for essential care and for essential services. And so can you tell us what representations you've made to Hywel University Health Board about its clinical services plan, and will you make it clear that the Welsh Government will not support any changes that take services away from the people of Pembrokeshire?
Well, the Health Board intends to discuss and make a decision on the clinical services plan later this month. I understand how strongly people feel about their local services, which is why I also have been making representation in my capacity as a Senedd member. I met with the Health Board representatives, Chief Exec and others last week, and I spoke to the Chair just on the weekend. So I can assure you that I am ensuring that the views of the local communities are taken on board, but it will be for them to determine. I think it is important that what should be driving this is the best possible clinical outcomes for people. And let me just give you a sense of actually how investment is already happening in Withybush General Hospital. 1.18 million to replace fluoroscopy equipment in Withybush, £750,000 to replace X-ray equipment, 481,000 to upgrade gamma camera systems at Withybush, 110,000 to replace ultrasound equipment at Withybush, and £27 million to ensure that essential fire enforcement work has taken place. And that's before we start talking about the significant amount of money, 12.8 million, that was put in to address the challenges around aerated concrete rack. So investment is going into Withybush Hospital, and I hope you've seen there that there are plenty of evidence to demonstrate that the people of West Wales will be served.